Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about this article regarding about the Tesla new Model 3 Performance Highland. So it's been a while, and Tesla has been delaying it, but we know that they are in the work, and eventually, they're going to offer the Model 3 Performance. As of right now, Tesla only offer two variants of the Model 3, which is they call it the Model 3 and then the long range. And if the Model 3 Performance would come up, it will be available somewhere down here. And according to this article, and we can see that the Performance, they do have a different kind of front seats right here, the bucket seats. As you know, as far as the Performance variation, the seats have been the same throughout the lineup. Like, for example, Model 3, Model X, right, and Model S. But looking at this, it might be changed in the future. So, because it says here, the reason for these seats is when they're driving at a faster speed, it doesn't throw their drivers around, so it keeps them in place. So, and it differentiates, the model. So there's another picture coming on. I think that's the same picture, maybe not. From the X, from a gentleman named Nick Cruz right here. You can see clearly this is the headlights is for the Highland, and this vehicle has been spotted in Santa Monica. So, this is the one that they've been working on and they're demoing, and that's how we get to see the bucket seats. So I think it's really, because right now all we can do is just speculate and just wait and see the real one comes. But hopefully with the Performance, it will be a lot better, and we can see it. Because right now, if you think about the Model 3 Performance, it's just like the Uber turbine wheels, which is 21-inch compared to and 20-inch inductions and 19-inch Gemini, and the spoilers and the brake calipers, red colors, but and then you get like a little a dual motor with the red line on the bottom. But other than that, it's just same. And if people want to imitate on the Performance model, it can easily. But if with this bucket seats, it's going to make it a little bit harder, and then you can actually see it and know that that's a higher end model, and that is a Performance model, and people are paying a lot of money for that, and it's a quicker car. So yep, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. So thank you for watching. If you like news about Tesla or any kind of EVs, just stay tuned, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.